This scene played out on national news last year and was gone. But for one family, this nightmare water park trip is a tragedy they live over and over.
Changed my son's life. I said it before, his blood's on their hands.
That's why that father wants an Iowa water park to be held responsible for the death of their 11-year-old son and the other son they nearly lost.
Well, today that family filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the park. They hired attorneys from Spokane to represent them. Rania Kaur joins us in studio tonight with the justice they're asking for.
Michael Jaramillo's parents tell me their 11-year-old had a plan for the rest of his life, what he was going to do at 14, at 16, and when he graduated from high school. While they will never see those plans become reality, tonight what they're asking for is accountability. It was an early 16th birthday celebration for the Jaramillo family that ended like this. Their raft from the Raging River ride flipped, the entire family trying to get out.
And we went there. All good intentions, have a great time, great memories, family, fun. You can't go wrong. And it did.
11-year-old Michael and 15-year-old David Jr. were pinned underwater for more than 5 minutes. Michael did not survive. David was in a coma for a month. In the family's lawsuit against the park, it says nobody from the park came to help. The staff, 3 employees who had never worked or been trained on the ride before that day.
There was a reckless level of a failure to maintain this ride. We're seeking accountability for the managers, for the CEO, and for this Adventureland Park that failed to maintain this park.
The ride had been closed all of 2020 and reopened the day the Jaramillo family went to the park. The lawsuit cites 17 safety violations the state of Iowa found after Michael's death.
You should have just done your job. I mean, not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4. Sources could have stopped this. And it seemed like no one really cared.
With Michael's ashes in a necklace, today his dad is still undergoing surgeries on his shoulder. His mom has partial blindness in one eye. And while David Jr. recovered from his medically induced coma, his parents say he sometimes fails to remember what happened to his brother.
New memories keep coming. Like his teacher was talking about roller coasting. And then his new memory was him standing in line, waiting to get on the ride. And then we had to explain to him what happened that day. And then he'll forget what we explained to him what happened that day.
The ride has been closed but can reopen. The family doesn't want that to happen. We reached out to the Adventureland Park for comment. It's now owned by a different company. So far, they have not responded. The date for the trial has not been set yet. In studio tonight, I'm Rania Kaur for News Now.